All good? I like it, man. And you got the box where it's mounted down so it doesn't move.
Yeah, the box took 4 people to put it in, but it still moves.
It does? Wow. Could you put the windows up for info real quick?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. All right, what's your name real quick and what's in here?
Alfred, I got 2 Addictive Audio V415s, 3 AGMs Kinetics, and a Taramps bass 5K.
Is the port in the back or is it sealed?
It's ported in
Ported?
the back.
Okay. Did you build this?
No, I've done the audio, the amp rack and the wood floor. I had a shop build the box.
Okay. Have you mated it?
Yeah, it's a new build. We're having a little bit of a power issue going on right now, but it's I just did a 145.9.
Okay. What's your goals out of it?
50.
50?
There's a 50 in this car. Just got to get more power.
Yes, sir. And last thing, tuning and what is it peak at?
Peaks at 31 hertz.
Okay. Oh, so is your tuning near that, or where's your box tuned at? Or you're not sure?
Off the top of my head, I cannot remember what we tuned the box at.
Okay. All good. I like it, man. And you got the box where it's mounted down so it doesn't move.
Yeah, the box took 4 people to put it in, but it still moves.
It does? Oh, wow. Okay. I like the LEDs. They look good.
Yeah, I just picked them up Friday night.
Okay.
The ones in front of the sub.
Yes, sir. So, question for you. Did you do any testing yet to know where your box is most optimal output with the adjustment?
Yes, last Sunday I went down to Cape Coral to actually the guy who owns that Mustang right there.
Okay.
And we played around with the box and stuff. And that was the sweet spot.
Got it. Okay. Sweet.
I originally had the port aimed in the front of the car.
Yeah.
It did horrible. Sounded good. Did horrible. That was at state finals. Me and 6 of my teammates, we took the box out of the car, flipped it, and I gained.
Wow, awesome. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. All right. So when you rotated an instant gain.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you too, man.
All right. I'll get a demo, man. Appreciate it.
No problem.
good.
Yeah, I just hooked them up Friday night.
Okay.
The ones in front of the sub.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.